What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a little bit of a different video again for you guys, courtesy of BOTSLAB. And as you can see, we're in a little bit different environment than the studio we're normally in. We actually have their new 4K PT battery 2-cam kit here. As you can see, it has a ton of AI features, intelligent notifications, intelligent search, and intelligent alarm. Plus, obviously, the things you know and love, smart cross-camera tracking, 360-degree coverage, color night vision, 32 gigs of local storage, facial recognition, vehicle detection, animal detection. It's IP66 weatherproof. This baby has it all. It is one of the best kits out there if you're looking for a great option for your home or office or anything like that. We're going to break it all down for you guys today. Let's unbox this first and get it set up. All right, so the packaging is pretty simple, but one massive call out I have to let you guys know about is this right here. There is no monthly service fees or subscriptions you need for the cameras to actually work and operate. That is obviously a huge selling point, whereas a lot of competitors don't quite offer the same thing. They want some sort of payment for it. That is not something you have to worry about here. And opening this baby up, as you can see, very neatly packaged, and we're gonna have everything we need here to get these cameras up and running. Here are one of the panels right here. We'll set that to the side. Then below it, you're going to have the second one as well. On top here, you're going to have this little baby right here. You can see it's telling you to push this horizontally in this direction to open the cover. And you have your little hub. Then obviously you're going to have the cameras themselves right here on the right. And these are some beefy cameras. They look great, and this is not something that somebody's just quickly going to come and grab. This definitely has some nice build quality to it, some heft. Again, 4K, please remove before use. We'll go ahead and take that off and set this one down as well. And then obviously we know what's going to be in the second spot, and that is the second camera. So now that we got all of the main goods out of the way, we're going to have all our hardware here for the install and all of that. It comes with everything, your USB to USB-C charging cables, your mounts, your anchors with your screws. You're gonna have actual guidance here for where to actually stick this, so you know where to screw in those holes in the anchors. And then you have obviously everything else that goes with it, the mounts, the stands, and all of that. They load you up, they make sure you're set up to be successful right out of the gate. So let me go ahead and get these up, and we'll be right back. So going back to some of those AI features that really is a difference maker in this camera, we have three main ones I want to talk to you about really quick, and that is going to be intelligent notifications, intelligent search, and intelligent alarms. So what I want to do to make it a little easier, I'm actually going to start a screen recording and throw it up on the screen for you guys to see in the app. So as you can see, we are in the BOTSLAB app right now. It's showing up the two cameras. This is obviously before they're installed, as you can see, because it says complete the installation setup steps. But we went ahead and got them all activated. I'm gonna just jump into one of the cameras here. You can see the live view. You can see just how crisp the actual video quality is. But if we go into settings on the top right here, you can see we have a ton of camera settings right here that are live, being detection settings, battery management, all your typical ones. But then you have the AI skills, and you can see we have 6 skills in use. And when you touch them, you're gonna see those 3 AI skills right on top here, starting with intelligent notification. So if we go ahead and switch this on and go to settings, you can see now with this is probably one of the most beneficial ones. What you're gonna have is not just a simple person seen driveway or person seen backyard, whatever the scenario is, wherever you have it set up, you're going to get more specific details about the person. So you can see, for instance, here it says a blue t-shirt guy is scaling the wall, a squirrel is on the lawn. I actually had some earlier talking about somebody above the grill. That was me looking where I was going to install this camera, which was actually right above where the grill is. So you get a lot more specifics and can actually see exactly what is going on instead of just a generic notification. Aside from that, then you have intelligent search, and this says simply type simple search. So when you do this, you can find exact moments, people, vehicles, or objects in your footage in just 1 second with that quick search. So say for instance, you know there's an issue right by where your grill is or under where your camera set up, and you want it to be recorded, or you know it was recorded but you don't remember when or where, you can simply search grill and it'll pull up any footage on your grill that was recorded. Makes it super simple to search, no scaling through all of the different history and timestamps. It will do that for you. And then lastly is intelligent alarm, and as you can see here too, it says it analyzes scenes and takes proactive action to identify and warn suspicious individuals. So it is actually proactive here and can see if somebody is right by your vehicle. It will actually say, move away from the vehicle, get away from the vehicle, very timely, and doesn't lead any unknowns there for an intruder or something like that. You can see you can turn this on and off. You can have the sound and light alarm switch. And if you turn this on, it says when activated, sound and light alarms will be triggered during high level events. You can do area mapping right here. If you click it, this will actually pull up the actual camera here, and you can actually move it around so you can say, hey, look, trigger it only right here by the grill or something like that. Again, since this is a 360 camera, you can simply scroll around if you want, and you can see it's recording it, and it will actually give you all of those options right there as well. We'll go ahead and say cancel to that. And it is literally that easy for some of these smart alerts. Very cool, very convenient. Let me stop this recording really quick. And it gives you everything you need right at your fingertips. So, as you can see here, definitely one of the best options out there to buy. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below if you're interested. Definitely worth it. These 2 packs here never need to be plugged in, have your solar power, have AI intelligence, onboard storage, and everything you need to give you a peace of mind that your home or office is safe and secure. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you have one, comment. Let me know how you're liking it, and if you pick one up from this video, if you're happy with your purchase. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.